When it comes to capturing smooth videos with a portable device, nothing surpasses the DJI Pocket 2. It's a compact studio that delivers exceptional performance in a small package. Recent rumors indicate that its successor, the DJI Pocket 3, could surpass this achievement by introducing exciting new features. These upgrades have the potential to transform handheld mobile shooting. Let's delve into the details and discover how the DJI Pocket 3 could transform the way we capture videos on the go. Since the release of the DJI Pocket 2, there has been considerable speculation and anticipation surrounding its successor. The DJI Pocket 3 showcases a revamped camera area with a square module reminiscent of the DJI action camera. Notably, the patent suggests a dual-screen design, potentially featuring a screen on the back of the camera module. While the specific advantages of this dual-screen configuration remain undisclosed, it is improbable that the DJI Pocket 3 will accommodate a 1-inch sensor without increasing the device's overall size. Consequently, the question arises, will the absence of a 1-inch sensor be a notable drawback? Camera manufacturers often use a marketing trick when referring to a 1-inch type image sensor, as its actual dimensions are significantly smaller. In terms of video quality, smaller sensors tend to be less powerful. For the DJI Pocket 3, it would be beneficial to support 4K video recording at 120 fps, similar to the DJI Action 2, additionally having the capability to record 2.7K video at 240 fps and even 1080p at 480 fps for slow motion shots would be impressive. Unlike its predecessor, the DJI Pocket 3 should feature built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity instead of requiring separate modules or handhelds. Another essential improvement for the Pocket 3 is a larger display. DJI might consider utilizing the compact display from the DJI Action 2 in the Pocket 3. However, if that display proves to be too small, a size increase of around 50 to 60 would be ideal for enhanced visibility during filming and for checking focus. Moreover, one of the standout features of action cameras like GoPro and DJI Action is their built-in waterproofing. It would be highly desirable if DJI could incorporate waterproof capabilities into the upcoming Pocket 3. According to Deals Drone, a reputable DJI insider, the DJI Pocket 3 is expected to be announced in April 2023. Initially, it was anticipated to be released by the end of 2022, but faced delay due to a crowded product release schedule. However, since no significant product launches are expected in 2023, it is highly probable that the new gimbal camera will hit the market this year. DJI has already enhanced camera sensors in their consumer drones, indicating an upgrade for the Pocket series is also on the horizon. Excitement is building for the much-awaited successor, and we'll look forward to its unveiling in April. Feel free to share your thoughts and expectations in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.